Hello students. So today we are going to start a new chapter, Factorization, chapter 5 of our book. Before starting, let us know that what is factorization. In mathematics, the factorization or factoring is the decomposition of an object. That object should be a number, a polynomial or a matrix, whatever it is, into a product of other objects or factors. And when these factors, when multiplied together, will give the original number. For example, let us suppose we are having a number 15. When we factorize the number 15 into prime factors, we'll get 3 and 5. This 3 and this 5, when multiplied together, 3 into 5, it will give the original number 15. 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. Similarly, let us suppose the polynomial x square minus 5. The factors of x square minus 4. The factors of x square minus 4 are x minus 2 and x plus 2. So, when we multiply these two, we all know that a minus b into a plus b gives you a square minus b square. When these two multiply together, it will give you x square minus 4. So, factorization or factoring is the decomposition of an object into a product of other objects which when multiplied together give the original number. In short, we can say that factorization is the opposite of expansion. In all the cases, a product of simpler object is obtained. It is actually the opposite of expansion. Expansion, which we have done earlier, the chapter 4. The factorization is opposite of that. So we are having 5 types or 5 methods of factorization. The first one is taking out the common factors. Let us suppose a polynomial is there. 3 or 2 terms are there in that particular polynomial. And in that 2, 3 terms, one is a common factor overall. 2, 3, 4, any number. So taking out that common factor. See, factorize by taking the common factors. The term is 2 into 2x minus 5 into 3x plus 4y minus 6 into 2x minus 5y into x minus y. 2x minus 5y is here, 2x minus 5y is here. 2, 1 the 2, 2, 3 the 6. So we can take 2x minus 5y into 2 as common quantity from both, or if you don't want to take that thing as the common, then you can solve as it is. This is taking out the common factors. The type 2 is grouping. We have to factorize by grouping method. See, the term is a cube plus a minus 3a square minus 3. If I group these two terms, first two terms, and this third and fourth term, from the first two terms, we can take a common and we are left only with a square plus 1. From third and fourth term, we can take minus 3 common and we are left only with a square plus 1. Now we are having two terms, a square plus 1, 3, a square plus 1. From these two terms, grouping was done. Now after grouping, from these two terms, we are going to take common factor a square plus 1 common. So take out this factor as common and we are left only with a as it is, minus as it is, 3 as it is. So our answer is a square plus 1 into a minus 3. The third one is splitting of the middle terms. Fourth one, difference of two squares. And the fifth one, the sum or difference of two cubes. Now let's start our methods of factorization, the type 1 and type 2 from our exercise 5a. The first question, it is clear to all that we are going to take out 2x minus 5y common from both the terms. So first term, we are left only with 2 into 3x plus 4y. And in the second term, 6 into x minus y, minus as it is. So 2, 3 the 6x, 2, 4 the 8, minus 6x, minus plus 6y. 6x minus 6x, cancel. 8y plus 6y, 14y. Now it's up to you. If you again want to take 2 common, then it would be 2 into 7y into 2x minus 5y and 2 into 7, 14y. This is the reason why we haven't taken that 2 as a common factor with this 2x minus 5y. Now come to the second question. Xy 3x square minus 2y minus yz 2y square minus 3x square plus zx 15x square minus 10y square. See, there are 3 terms, first, second, third. From the first term, 3x square minus 2y square is there. In the second term, terms are same, 2y square, 3x square, but 3x square is having negative sign and 2y is having positive. And in the third one, if I take 5 common, because 15 and 10, these two terms are there. If I take 5 common, then we are left only with 3x square minus 2y square. So the first and third terms are same. So we have to change this second term. We have to change the positions of 3x square and 2y square. In these two, 3x square is having positive sign, but only in the second term, it is having negative. So take out the minus common from this second term. Write the equation itself. And this will equals to xy, 3x square minus 2y square. Take out minus common from this bracket. If minus comes out, then minus minus plus yz as it is, 3x square will become positive and 2y square will become negative. Plus zx, take out 5 common from this one. It is 5zx, 3x square minus 2y square. Now see, we are having 3 terms. And in all these 3 terms, 3x square minus 2y square is common. So take out that factor. So we are left only with 3x square minus 2y square out that bracket and xy plus yz plus 5zx. This is your answer. See the question number 3. Again, ab into a square plus b square minus c square minus bc into c square minus a square minus b square plus ca into a square plus b square minus c square. Third question is again of same of that question number 2. The value of first term a square plus b square minus c square is same as that of third term a square plus b square minus c square. The changes we have to done with only the second term. In first and third, c is having negative and a and b will have positive sign. So here we have to change the signs. That means again take out negative common. If negative comes out, then this minus a square and minus b square will become positive and c square will become negative. So we are left only with ab into a square plus b square minus c square minus minus plus bc into a square plus b square minus c square plus ca a square plus b square minus c square. Again, from these 3 terms, we can take a square plus b square minus c square common. So take it out and we are left only with ab plus bc plus c. This is your solution of question number 3. Now come to our next type, factorize by factorize by grouping method. After this grouping process, we have to take the common factor out. Fifth question, a cube plus a minus 3a square minus 3. We just group the first 2 terms and the third, fourth. Choice is yours. If you want to take first and third as a group or second and fourth as a group, then it's up to you. So take out a common from first 2. We are left only with a square plus 1. Take out minus 3 common. We are again left with a square plus 1. Take out the common factor a square plus 1. And we are left only with a minus 3. In the question number 6, 16a plus b whole square minus 4a minus 4b. See, from this 4a, 4b having negative sign, can I take minus 4 common? Yes. Take out minus 4 common and we are left only with a plus b. Now see, 16 can be written as 4 into 4. A plus b whole square can be written as a plus b into a plus b. Here 4 is there, a plus b is there. So from these two terms, we can take 4 and a plus b as a common quantity. Take out 4, a plus b. And we are left only with 4 is out. So from 16 only 4 is left. A plus b whole square, a plus b is out. So we are left only with a plus b. Minus as it is and 1. Because 1 multiplied by something, that thing. So when 4 into a plus b multiplied with 1, it will become 4a plus b. So it is equals to 4a plus b, 4a plus 4b minus 1. Come to the question number 7. A power 4 minus 2a cube minus 4a plus 8. Take out a cube. I'm sorry. Take out a cube from first two terms and we are left only with a minus 2. Take out minus 4 common from third and fourth. Then we are left only with minus 4. Take out minus 4 common, we are left only with a minus 2. See, in these two terms, a minus 2 is common. So take out that common factor out and we are left only with a cube minus 4. Again, choice is yours. If you want to take first and third term and second and fourth, then it's up to you people. So come to the question number 9. Try to solve question number 8 by your own. Come to the question number 9. This is ab into x square plus 1 plus x into a square plus b square. So we can write this one as ab x square plus ab into 1 ab plus as it is x into a square x plus as it is x into b square x. Now we are having 4 terms. 4 terms. These 4 terms. Now it's up to us. If we want to take this abx square and a square x as a single group, then we can. If you want to take abx square and b square x as a single group, then we can. Choice is ours. So here I am taking abx square plus a square x as a one group and b square x and ab as another group. From this abx square and a square x, I am going to take ax common. So here we are left only with bx plus a. Because from this abx square, if I take a and x common, then we are left only with b and x. And from this one, if I take a and x common, then we are left only with a. Plus sign as it is because these two terms, second and fourth term, these are having plus signs. Take out plus sign common. B is here, B is here. Take out B common. From this one, B is out. So we are left only with BX. From this one, we are left only with A. So our term is AX, BX plus A plus B into BX plus A. Take out that BX plus A as common quantity and we are left only with AX plus B. Choice is yours. I'm again repeating that. Here I have taken first and third, second and fourth. If you want to take second and third, first and fourth, then choice is yours. Try to solve the question number 10. Come to question number 11. Ax plus by whole square plus bx minus ay whole square. Now we all are familiar with the formula of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Just apply that formula. Then we'll get a square x square plus b square y square plus 2ax by. And from this one, b square x square plus a square y square minus 2bx ay. See, these two quantities are same, but having positive and negative sign. So we can cancel these two. And we are left only with a square x square plus b square y square plus b square x square plus a square y square. Again, choice is yours. Here I am taking the two quantities as a group in which x square is there. A square x square plus b square x square. And take out x square common, we are left only with x square plus b square. Sorry, a square plus b square. And from these two, take out y square common, a square plus b square is left. If you are going to take the quantities, this one, first and fourth, then you have to take a square as a common quantity. I have grouped the first and third, second and fourth. If you want to group first and fourth and second and third, then choice is again up to you. X square, from these two take out x square common, we are left only with a square plus b square plus, from these two take out y square common, a square plus b square. Now see, a square plus b square is here, a square plus b square is here. Take out that common factor and we are left only with x square plus y square. Come to the question number 12. A square x square plus ax square plus 1 into x plus a, which is equals to a square x square plus a plus ax square plus 1 into x. See, can I take a common from these two? Can I take a common? Yes, because here it is a square, here is a is there. So take out a common. Then we are left only with a x square plus 1. And from this one, x into ax square plus 1. But the quantity ax square plus 1 is common. So take this common factor out and we are left only with a plus x. So our answer is a plus x into ax square plus 1. Come to the question number 13. 2a minus b whole square minus 10a plus 5b. See, the value 10 and 5. 5 is the common factor of these two. So take out that 5 common. Here the 2a is having positive sign, b is having negative. So also take negative common from these two. Then we are left only with 2a minus b whole square. Take out minus 5 common, 2a minus b. In both these two quantities, in both the quantities, 2a minus b is common one. So take it out, 2a minus b, common factor. And we are left only with, from the first term, 2a minus b, minus as it is, second term, 5 only. This is your answer. Come to the question number 14. A minus 4 minus a plus 4. See, a minus 4 is here, a and 4 is here, but signs are opposite. So take out negative common from these two. Take out negative common, then we'll get a minus 4 as it is, minus common, a minus 4. So a minus 4 is the common quantity. So take it out. A minus 4 common quantity. From the first term, we are left only with a minus as it is. From the second term, 1. To avoid the confusion, I have just written 1 here because 1 multiplied by something, that thing itself. So our answer is a minus 4 into a minus 1. Come to the question number 15. Y square minus a plus by plus ab. Can I write this one as y square minus ay minus plus minus by plus ab? Yes. From these two quantities, now I can take y common, and from these two, I can take b common. So when y is common from these two quantities, first two, then we'll get y into y minus a. So take, and from the third and fourth one, take out minus b common and we are left only with y minus a. Y minus a is the common factor and our solution will be y minus a into y minus b. You have to do the practice of such questions because you can also take first and third term, second and fourth term. Again, choice is up to you. If I'm taking first and second, third and fourth, then it is not compulsory for you to take the same process. If you want to take first and third, second and fourth, then choice is yours. Come to the question number 16. A square plus 1 by a square minus 2 minus 3a plus 3 by a. See, a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. We all are familiar with this formula, a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And when this b replaced by 1 by a, then a 1 by a cancel. We are left only with a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. And in the formula a minus b whole square, we left only with a square plus b square minus 2. Sorry, a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. And here I can see a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. So I am going to write these three values in a single bracket, which is equals to a minus 1 by a whole square. And from these two values, the fourth and fifth one, I'm going to take 3 common. Minus sign is here, plus sign is here. If I take only 3 common, then this a will be negative. But according to this, a should be positive. So I'm going to take from the fourth and fifth term minus 3 as the common quantity. And we are left only with, from this one, a plus will become minus 1 by a. So concentrate on this step again. A square plus 1 by a square minus 2. This can be written as a minus 1 by a whole square. From these two, take out minus 3 common, a minus 1 by a. So from these two terms, I am going to take a minus 1 by a as a common quantity, and we are left only with a minus 1 by a. From the first term, minus as it is, 3 as it is. This is your solution of 16th one. Come to the 17th. This is again same, 16, 17, 18. These three questions are of same type. See, in the question number 17, x square plus y square plus x plus y plus 2xy is there. So again, I am going to take x square plus y square plus 2xy in a single bracket, and xy plus x plus y as the another term, second term. We all know that x plus y whole square gives you x square plus 2xy plus y square. So I am going to write this whole term as x plus y whole square. Plus as it is, x plus y as it is. Take out x plus y common. Then we are left only with x plus y. This x plus y is a common quantity, and we are left only with x plus y plus y. In the 18th again, a square plus 4b square minus 3a plus 6b minus 4ab. These are the terms. So can I write this 4b as 2b whole square and this minus 4ab as 2 into a into 2b? So a square plus 2b whole square minus 2 into a into 2b. These three terms will give you a minus 2b whole square according to this formula. Now from 3a and 6b, can I take minus 3 common? See, yes. Minus 3, take out this value as common quantity, and we are left only with a minus 2b. So our term will be a minus 2b whole square minus 3 into a minus 2b. A minus 2b whole square is there, a minus 2b is there. So from first term and second term, take out a minus 2b as common quantity. From the first one, we are left only with a minus 2b, minus as it is. From second, we are left only with 3. So it is equals to a minus 2b into a minus 2b minus 3. So practice these questions by yourself. Try to solve the question number 19 and 20 also. Write down the questions, note down the questions in your notebook. Stay home, stay safe. Good luck to all. Don't forget, practice makes a man perfect. So practice these questions by your own.